In this lecture, we will discuss regarding water column with need sketch. Water columns are provided for feeding water to steam locomotive. Water columns are placed at the ends of the platforms near the starting signals so that engines of running trains can take water when hitting on railway station. Now, the water column in the railway station are provided to supply of water to locomotive. Two or more water columns may be installed for single station. It a quantity or number of water column at a railway station depend upon importance and requirements. Water column are provided at intermediate station by the side of main line track at suitable distance. They may be installed on ash pit so that engines may remove their ash simultaneously while taking water. At important stations, two or more water columns are provided. The water column should be placed in such way that traffic is not be obstructed by them. Water columns brings water from overhead tank which is provided near the railway station. This is such a overhead tank provided near the railway station to supply of water to water column. Next, they are fixed in ground in the shape of inverted L at about 4.4 meter at height from ground surface. Now this is the diagram of water column. This is the height from ground level up to horizontal pipe 4.42 meter. This is the vertical height of vertical pipe. Also horizontal pipe is provided. At a top of a vertical pipe to supply the water. Horizontal pipe is a type of swiveling type and provided with stepping box. At the end of horizontal pipe, bag hose or bag hose spout is provided. At the end of this horizontal pipe, bag house, sometimes called as bag spout, provided at the end of horizontal pipe to direct the water to fall into water tank which is provided in locomotive. And horizontal projection from vertical pipe is 2.55 meter from center of vertical pipe. This is the center of vertical pipe. From center, distance of horizontal pipe is 2.55 meter. The various components are of water columns are various components of water column are swan neck, same as a swan bird. Next, ring and chain, vertical pipe, footwall. Now function of footwall is control the rate of water into vertical pipe, and function of bag house or bag spout provided at the end of horizontal pipe to prevent the splashing of water and to direct the water into water tank which is provided over the locomotive. Now fourth point is projection from vertical pipe is 2.55 meter so as to reach water into tank without splashing. Funnel name bag nose spout is provided at the end of swiveling pipe which rotate around the vertical pipe. This is the generally horizontal pipe provided at the top of water column. See in a diagram, this is the swiveling pipe which rotate around the vertical pipe which extended in horizontal manner or in a horizontal plane. The shape of this pipe is similar to a neck of swan bird, so name given is swan neck. And generally the water column provided at the end of a station, so engine can take water easily from water column. Last point of water column is water column is generally placed near the ash pit to remove the ash from engine while taking water from water column. And these are the components of water column: bag house, footwall, vertical pipe, swiveling pipe, stepping box, swan neck, and ring and chain. These are the component of water column.